Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. On behalf of Markaz Sahaba, the voice of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, we present to you lesson number 2993 of our daily Naseehah and advice. Today, with the grace and mercy of Allah Jalla wala, we focus on the 18th of Rajab. Now we are discussing the Ahadith Sunan Ba'diyya after the first Salat, the Jummah Salat. So what should Nabi alayhi salatu salam do? So an Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma annahu kana, he states, إِذَا صَلَّى الْجُمُعَةِ, when Jummah Salat was read, in Sarafa, he went away. فَصَلَّى سَجْدَتَيْنِ فِي بَيْتِهِ, he read 2 rakats in his house. ثُمَّ قال, and he said, كَانَ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَسَلَّمَ يَصْنَعُ ذَلِكَ, Nabi alayhi salam said, so he did that. So therefore Shafis and them say 2 rakats after Jummah Salat. Thereafter, an Abihi Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhu states, Anna Nabiya sallallahu alaihi wasallam kana yusalli ba'd al-jumu'ati rakatain, 2 rakats. Then you find another hadith, Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu states, قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا صليتم بعد الجمعة, when you read salat after Jumu'ah, فصلوا أربعا, so read 4 rakats. So what the Hanafi ulama did, they took all these hadiths and said you must read 6 rakats. So you read 4 first and then 2. Or some of the Hanafi ulama say 2 first and then 4. So be that as it may, but it means the fatwa of the Hanafis is on 6 rakats. And the Shafis and them say on 2 rakats. So Hanafis made jama, they combine all the ahadiths on this topic. And the Shafis took the ahadiths of the 2 rakats. So it shows the fuqaha, each one of them have their own manhaj, their own methodology, and that is how they reach their conclusion and verdict. It is not based, you must remember, on their whims, fancies and desires, but it is based on some type of dalil and evidence in the light of Quran or in the light of the Sunnah Mubarakah, and that is what we need to understand. And whenever the fuqaha and jurors differ, إِنَّمَا اخْتَلَفُوا لِأَجْلِ الْحَقِّ, they differ for the sake of truth. وَمَا اخْتَلَفُوا فِي الْحَقِّ, and they don't differ in truth. And remember, it is something natural on secondary issues. There will be difference of opinion. Quran speaks of it. Nabi Dawood alayhi salam, Nabi Sulaiman alayhi salam are prophets and messengers, and they receive wahi also. And remember, regarding one issue, they pass 2 different verdicts. Allah praised both of them. So it shows in Islam you can have multiple truths also. 2 verdicts on the same issue, and both are truths and both are acceptable. Wa Dawood wa Sulaiman idh yahkumani fil harth, and this is in the Quran. Although Allah Ta'ala praised the verdict of Nabi Sulaiman alayhi salam more by stating, فَفَهَّمْنَاهَا Sulaiman, he had a greater profound understanding. Because when they built Masjid al-Aqsa, he made dua, Uwati'u hukmi hukmak, Ya Allah, whenever I pass a verdict, it must concur with your judgment and your verdict, O Almighty Allah. So that's why it shows that his verdict was correct. Allah Jalla wala grant us tawfiq to understand our deen. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.